What's popping, gang? I was here again today doing another YouTube video in England, London, UK, wherever you guys are. If you're not in England, London, UK, as I just said, you won't be knowing what I'm known. Currently, over here, we're meant to be having a hurricane, and it's very bad wind outside. And someone died from it, and it's getting pretty bad now. It's meant to be getting worse tonight. And now there's another, there's more of an incident outside, if you know what I mean, guys. So look, you can't really see, it's a bit dark, but there's bins being thrown in the middle of the road. My fence has snapped. Bins have been hitting cars, smashed windows. Been very bad round here because all of the wind. And that's not the hurricane just yet. And if you listen carefully, you'll probably be able to hear. That's another bit of my fence. You can't go out there because it's dangerous. You go out there, you'll get blown over, and if you hit your head, obviously you'll die. If you hit in the wrong place, so obviously you're not allowed out there. Look, guys, I try and look, guys. There's the bin that's fallen over there, and then there's my fence. Just snap it all. Yeah, so pretty bad, guys. I'm currently just sitting here right now. And leave in the comment section below if you'd like to see a boxing video, because I'll be doing boxing on my boxing bag there. Leave in the comment section below if you'd like to see that or not. And yeah, see you guys later, man. Delicious!